Hi, my name is Edward Naylor, and I'm the CEO of MVMNT, the next-gen TMS for freight brokers. Our platform is easy to use and fully automated, so you can spend more time focused on your customers. Today, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the platform for free and get started. First, go to MVMNT.io. You can learn more about the product under the Solutions tab and the Resources tab. For now, I'll just show you our integrations. Our integrations are free to set up and can connect in minutes. Everything syncs in two-way and in real time, so you don't have to worry about switching tabs constantly. Let's start for free here. You're going to enter your company's info and then continue to get a link emailed to you with an invite to the platform. Once you're in the TMS, you can go to the My Brokerage tab to get started. We also have a Getting Started checklist to make it easier. Under operational settings, you can set up your load number format with an optional shipment prefix and a starting shipment number. This makes it easy to migrate data from another platform. Just send us exports of your carriers, customers, and load history in any format, and we'll get them uploaded into MVMNT, typically in 5 business days or less. You can invite as many users as you need under the free plan. Just put in their email address and we'll send them an invite link into your account. Let's set up your brand. You can host the TMS at one of your subdomains. That way customers can see this on email notifications and tracking links. You can also send emails out of the platform like rate confirmations, carrier agreements, and customer invoices, and they'll come from your users' emails once you verify this domain. For an even better email integration, you can connect to your company's Google or Outlook workspace. Let's set up the DAT integration. First, you'll need a service account for your company, which we can help you get, and then each user will put in their own DAT login. This lets you post loads and see rates from DAT in MVMNT. We can also set up Truckstop. You can log into your Truckstop account via the single sign-on, and you'll be able to see rates and post loads from Truckstop in MVMNT. All these other integrations are just as easy to set up, but for now, let's open our RateLens tool so you can see what we just enabled. With an origin, a destination, and an equipment type, you can see rates from our partners and from your own brokerage's lane history. Here's the Truckstop rates, here's the DAT rates and market conditions data, and here are insights from your own data within the TMS. Plus, we have a chart that you can track trends over time and see your rates versus the market. If you want to send a quote to a customer, you can click on a rate, choose the customer and who you want to send it to, and then they'll get emailed a link to accept the quote or follow up. MVMNT has a lot more to offer, from carrier management to spot quoting to load building, tracking, and accounting, which you can find in all of our other videos. We also let you stay up to date with new features in our product updates section. And finally, we have a help center where you can get answers to common questions, as well as live chat support if you want to get in touch. Thanks for watching.